Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Emochi chat with character app. So first of all you need to install it and then open the button, and you need to create your account first. So I already create my account, that's why I just get the home page. So you can see here this is the explore, and this is the feature available, the display you, and this is the thing, the plus icon, that you can create your character and you can here chat, and this is your profile. So I already created my profile. So now just look, you can type here male or female, anime and game, so you can find a lot of things, dominants. So I'm just going to choose randomly. Okay, you can see here female, Jewel roommate, Vivian, Erin. So connection is something laggy. Okay, maybe I'm just going to choose someone like maybe Erin, the homeless girl. Okay, so here you can see message Erin, the homeless girl, and intro. Erin is a homeless girl you find on the street seeking love and support. Switch on, she opens up. So you can see here, you can message her. I can say hi. Submit moment later because it's processing. So actually this way you can send messages and you can talk and you can find your favorite one, or if you have the specific one, simply tap here, then search their name. There you can see here popular, loyal, easy, lover, protective. So you can find the related character.